I just got this RAS system installed. Like I always tell you, you can or we customize the RAS to suit the pond. You know, we always connect it to the outlet where this first filter chamber is kept behind the outlet. Then the water, the water passes through, it gets filtered, it gets a second layer, and it falls into the pond. And that's how it works. And the data system too is installed here. Now, because of the nature of this pond, the pond is under, so it is not possible, or there's no the outlet is not visible. You can't take this in the outlet. Sometimes no in the outlet at all. So because there's no outlet there, then this is the option. We use pump, take it through the filter and force back, and that is it. And this is the aerator pump also working. This is the aerator. Yeah. So and that's how the system works. So this is very easy. So like I said, we can customize it to suit your system or your pump. And this is how it works. That is so much. You can contact us. You can also install the RAS for you. But if you want a complete pump setup, we do that pump. As it is. Personally, I don't recommend underground pumps like this. I'm going to make a video next indicating why I don't recommend it, even though it's not a bad idea. So watch out that video in the end screen and see you there.